Hello and welcome to Tammy's Dolls. Today I have before you a 1960 cameo Kewpie doll. She's 27 inches and she comes with a problem. Now I bought this doll very cheap off of eBay because when they have problems like this, people of course do not want to ask a tremendous amount for them because of the issue that she has. She looks great the way she is, but she does have an issue, and this is her issue right here. It's this doll's leg right here, and we have no hook. I can't hook the doll's leg up. So I have to come up with something that is going to be able to help the doll to stand again. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Some of it is going to be shown right now, the idea of what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to be showing the rest with pictures, and I'll put it to a video. So that if you ever come across this problem and want to learn how to work with vinyl, you'll be able to see and understand how to do this. So anyways, if you ever buy a doll like this or similar. So anyways, I found a nice doll's leg. Okay, it was sitting up in one of my bins. So anyways, I went looking for it, and I have two of them. I do have the other side to this, but this is the only one I could find right now. One of the things I lucked out with this doll was that it has a hook on it. Now, how am I going to get that hook onto her leg? That is the restoration part. And so anyways, my next job is to cut it out with my trusty little knife here. I will be taking the blow dryer and going around and softening it a bit, and then I'm going to cut it out. Now I will be taking pictures, and of every step that I go through, and you'll be able to see how this works for me and how I bring this doll to standing again. So anyhow, that's the next thing. This is what's going to happen. Now I know it's the opposite side. It's actually, this is her right side. It's her left hand side that needs to be fixed. But I can once I cut this off, I can turn this hook any which way I want anyways. It doesn't have to stay in this upright position, but it will work all the same. If I was to put this like this, the hook, the doll's, the tethering rope will go up in that with no problem whatsoever and stay. So I'm not bothered by that so much. And it is flexible enough that it can open up to accept the rope that's going to go up in her. I already put the rope up there to see, and it does work. So that being said now, I'm going to proceed with what I'm about to do here and fix her up. So stay tuned. There is more to come on this doll. It's a wonderful project to work on. I can't work on it in my shop right now. It is still cold out there. The shop had warmed up nicely so that I could do things in there, but I've lost my heat because of all this cold we've had in May. So I'm stuck back in the house again dealing with this doll. So that's what we do. We do the best we can with what we've got. So anyhow, on the kitchen table she goes, and let's start cutting this hook off and putting it on that leg, and I'll show you the steps and everything that you got to do it. Stay tuned, more to come. Bye-bye.